how to make a stencil using a stencil machine. So this stencil machine I had like 7 years. You can use the newer ones, there's plenty of different ways, but this is the most oldest basic one. They got newer ones that print exactly from your phone and exactly from your iPad now, but like I said, I had this for 8 years, it's never let me down. So until it goes down, I'll probably be using it. So this is the basic one. The settings are pretty simple. Stop, copy, mirror, which makes it reverse, photo, deepness, 2 and 1. So that's pretty much it for that. So to make the stencil, first thing you're gonna do, take your image. Now whatever's on the paper is what's gonna copy onto the image. So if we just wanted to do one of these, we could just simply not print them all out or just use a piece of it, but I'm gonna just show y'all how it works for simplicity so you can put it all in. So boom, you wanna load it facing away from you, like so. You wanna load it into this first slot right here, facing away from you. Drop it in, you're gonna feel the machine grab it. You hear that? And it's gonna beep. Now the machine got the stencil, got the pattern. So boom, your next step, this the one, you're gonna take this paper. Now you only need 2 pieces of it. So you can remove this piece, whoop, and you can remove this yellow piece. Now these two is married together. You wanna keep these together. And this is the tricky part. It ain't really tricky, you just gotta be precise with it. So what you wanna do is open your stencil machine with these 2 flaps, bow. There's 2 flaps on the side, you open it up. Once you got it open, you're gonna take this piece, make sure the shiny side is facing away from you. And you want to slide that in this back little slot here. It really seems like there should be a better way, but hey, that's what they do. You slide it in that back little slot here. You're making sure that little heating plate is touching on that plastic. That's all you're doing. Now, when you're closing this, you want to have just enough to where you can visibly see it coming out. Not too much. Make sure it's away from the sides. Make sure it's even. Boom, 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 boom. Tighten it up. About right there. Boom. Once you got it right there, flip this back up, check your settings, make sure it's on mirror. It can only be on deepness 1 or 2. I'll do 1 because it's something simple and that don't really matter. I would be able to do this regardless. The next thing you want to do is hit copy. Now as it's copying, you don't want to pull this, but you do want to kind of like give it a little guidance. Just make sure it's coming out gently and neatly. And we'll just stencil it out just like this. Now let's say I didn't want to use that whole piece of stencil paper. So I already got these 2 butterflies coming out that I wanted. I could just hit this red button, stop. And that's gonna stop it right there. Once that come out, I'm gonna hit the tabs again on the side, release it. Now I got this, notice. Once I pull these apart, there's the butterflies, but no rows because we stopped it. So there's the butterflies. And that's how you make a stencil, and they're reversed. So next we'll be doing a video on how to apply the stencil, and we'll use these same ones to show you. So thanks for tuning in. Check out the next video.